honored to have held the title of Miss Universe Philippines 2024 for the past year. From the moment I was crowned, I knew this was more than just a title. It was a responsibility, an opportunity to inspire, and a chance to grow throughout. I have had the privilege of meeting incredible people, and of course being given a platform to support meaningful causes and to represent not just myself, but the community that I cherish here today. Every experience, from the glamorous moments on stage to the heartfelt connections developed behind the scenes, have been stepping stones in my growth as a woman and as a leader. I would not be standing here without the unwavering support of many incredible people that I need to express my deepest gratitude to, especially to my mom and my dad. I don't know where they are, but I know they will always be with you right now. You are my rock and my greatest cheerleaders and my safe place. You have seen my struggles, wiped away my tears, celebrated my victories, and reminded me of my worth every step of the way. So Mom, thank you for always reminding me to carry myself with grace, and for my dad, thank you for teaching me the strength of the importance of standing tall no matter the challenges. You have both sacrificed so much to support my dreams, and for that I am forever grateful. This crown does not just belong to me, and it does not just belong just to myself, but to everyone here right now. I carry that both within my heart. Of course, to my mamas, which is Seven Barreto, Attorney Ron Gamboa, and the creation of all of my meaningful and beautiful dresses, Manny Halasan. You have helped me out of pure love, and that same love I was able to share to the Miss Universe and to everyone here in the Philippines. As I sit here right now as your Miss Universe Asia with so much pride. To the organization of Miss Universe Philippines, thank you so much for believing in me and giving me the chance to make a difference. Miss Universe Philippines has always been more than just a competition. It's a celebration of passion, dedication, and the beauty of dreams coming true. To Sarah Voltaire, you have been the most memorable part of this journey. Your kindness, encouragement, and belief in me have made a lasting impact, and I could not thank you enough. And of course, to Mama J, your unwavering support and guidance have meant the universe to me, so thank you for being my pillar of strength and for standing by my side every step of the way. And to my fellow delegates as well, and to my continental queens, thank you for always reminding me that this is more than just a competition. It is about empowerment, unity, and growth. To the new title holder, I want to say this, but of course you have to cherish every moment. It is not going to be easy, believe me, but this chance of a lifetime will shape you in ways you never imagined. So wear the crown with pride and a heart full of purpose. Though my reign is ending, my journey does not stop here. I will carry the lessons, memories, and friendships with me forever. So thank you all for making this unforgettable experience. With love and gratitude, I will be Chelsea Ann Manalo, Miss Universe Asia, and forever Miss Universe Philippines 2024.
I came, I will leave, and I will come back with a grateful heart. I want to dedicate this short time to show my gratitude to everyone who has and have been supporting me through this journey of mine. But most importantly, I want to take this opportunity to thank my beloved grandma who passed away, which this woman have instilled so much wisdom and love in my heart that has brought me in this very stage today up until Miss Eco International. So I encourage everyone to go forward, go further in life, avance. And those little kids that is watching me today, your ate wants you to know that impossible is only in the mind, that we are capable of whatever we set our minds to achieve. So dream big, dream ambitiously, but work harder than anyone in the room. And know that no matter where you came from, it's that no matter where you came from or where you are going, what's more important is what you do between the times that you're about to go further in life. I want to thank everyone who has helped me through this journey. To Mama Jay, to Sir V, Sir Jonas, Ma'am Crystal, to my team, my IFFI family, and to all who have supported me and believed in me and never doubted that I'll make it here today. Thank you all so much. Again, I am Alexi May Kaimoso Brooks, Iloilo